Hi, this is Total Parts Pro. Today with the 2011 Mazda 6, stock number 7460. It's ran from the 2nd 2008 to 11 2012. There's an R2 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is the R2 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 18-inch factory Mazda tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory Mazda tyre, left hand taillight, rear boot lip no dents, right rear taillight, right rear 18-inch factory Mazda tyre, right rear door 1 dent, right front door 1 dent, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight has light sun cracks, right front 18-inch factory Mazda tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory 6-stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,